ahead and see what we got. Here's what the bag looks like this month. And it does come with 2 markers inside so that you can color it. I think it's supposed to be for Women's Month. It says Create March 2018. Here's the card. It says this month turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space, mash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade, rethink your wardrobe, pairing prints and combos you never usually try. Turn your Instagram pics into a real-life gallery. Up your guitar and start strumming. Dance, sing, sculpt, write. It's time to create your masterpiece. Need a starting point? Get creative with this month's coloring book inspired glam bag. We even included 2 markers to help you unleash the artist within. Share your creation on social and tag @Ipsy and #IpsyCreate for a chance to be featured on Ipsy.com. And for tons more info and everything you need to know about your 5 glam bag picks, head over to the Ipsy mobile app. We can't wait to see what you create. Here are the 2 markers they gave us. And the first item that I got is a brush. And it looks like just a nice flat shader brush. I love these type of brushes for packing on color onto the lid. It's by Stone Cosmetics. It's their large shadow brush. And I have gotten brushes from them before and I do really like them. It's very soft and densely packed. Next I have by Duce or Duce, I'm never sure how to pronounce it, but I've gotten these a few times before in different shades. It's their Freematic eyeshadow. And it's just a single pan eyeshadow that you pop out and kind of put into a magnetic palette. This looks like a brown shade. There's what it looks like there. And there's what it looks like on the back of my hand. I have by Ahava, I guess is how you say it. It says Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. It's a 20 milliliter. It says apply generously, avoiding eye area. After 2 minutes, rinse thoroughly. Approved for sensitive skin. And next I have by Tarte their Sex Kitten eyeliner. 0.1 gram size, just a little mini eyeliner. Oh, I thought it was going to be liquid, but it's a pencil liner. Very creamy, and it's matte. I can always use these. I have never tried one by Tarte. And then the last item that we have is by Winky Lux. Comes in this cute packaging here. You always have nice packaging. It's their Powder Lights holographic highlighter. It says gently retract the light and create a luminescent glow with this soft focus highlighter inspired by jewels. It's in the shade Charm, and it has a cute packaging as well. What it looks like in the pan. I'm not sure if it'll pick up on camera, but it has a pretty pink shift to it. It would be really nice to use as your inner corner highlight. Well, that's all I got this month, guys, in my Ipsy bag. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you got. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up before you go and hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.